How to create and publish Gamepass on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create, publish, and sell a Game Pass on Roblox. So first, you need to tap on create in the top of the screen, that is between Marketplace and the search icon. This will take you to create.roblox.com or the Creator Hub. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and select creations from the left-hand side of the screen. Now choose a creation that you want to add a Game Pass to. Everyone has one as default. Now in the left menu, scroll down to the monetization section, and under monetization, you need to go ahead and click on passes that you will find below the developer products. Now go ahead and tap on create a pass, which is highlighted in blue color. And to put the pass on sale, click on the pass you just created. Then enter your name, your description. You can also choose to upload an image if you want. Then tap on create pass, which is highlighted in blue color. Then again, go ahead and tap on the pass you just created. Now in the left menu, tap on sales and toggle this option of item for sale. Now go ahead and set the Robux or the price for this specific item. Then tap on save changes. You can also choose to enable regional pricing and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.